Welcome to the Ben Impact Kitchen. Since breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, I have the Ben Impact Pancake for you. That is packed with protein, carbs, and fats in equal amounts. So what we have here in ingredients, we have some egg whites, 1 whole egg, oatmeal, 1/4 cup, some cinnamon for taste, and this is one of the most my favorite things that I like. It's peanut butter powder, and then we have blueberries, and then we have some sprinkle of honey just for the end. Follow us for the recipe. So we're gonna start with 160 grams of egg white. We take our egg, then we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Here we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of oats, and to whisk it together, we're gonna make it bubbly. We're just gonna mix as much as we can, right? All right, so we're good. Let's go to the stove. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna take a small pan. We're just gonna spray with some avocado oil, very healthy. Set it up at right about medium here. We're gonna pour our batter right here, and then just make sure to cover it up. And we're gonna let it sit here until we're ready to flip it. So I flipped it, looking good. Take it off the stove and whisk it gently here like a baby. Our next step will be to make kind of a cream with our peanut butter powder. We just add our 2 tablespoons. So I added a little bit of water. Then we're gonna come here and we're gonna pour it over our pancake right here, and then we're just gonna spread it all around. I'm gonna have my 1/4 cup of blueberries and just gonna place them, and then we're gonna take some honey and we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit, and this is our breakfast. Beautiful. Let's just dig in. And here's really soft. Guys, you have to try this. Beautiful, delicious. For this recipe, it's gonna be a total of 324 calories, and our macros are gonna look like 34 grams of protein, 29 grams of carbohydrates, and 8 grams of fat. Enjoy!